Today we'll be talking about 6 ways for you to easily lose your money in the real estate market as an investor. So the first thing you have to do if you want to lose money quickly investing in real estate is not to have knowledge about the location you're trying to invest in. Now imagine you want to invest in Lagos, then you don't have any knowledge on how the real estate market works in Lagos. That is the easiest way for you to lose millions to the Lagos property market. If you don't want to lose money, it is important that you start to make research about a specific location. Make sure you're asking questions, make sure you're involving the professionals involved so that you do not lose money. But if you want to really lose money, don't have any knowledge, just go ahead to see any property out there and purchase it. The second easiest way for you to lose money is by not researching the company you are buying from. We have numerous companies in Lagos who are selling real estate, and the easiest way for you to lose money is to never have an understanding of that company. Is the company even registered? Do they have a CEO? Do they have a physical office? These are some of the things you need to find out if you don't want to lose money. But if you want to lose money easily, don't find out about that company. Don't check their history. Do they have history of allocating lands? What are people saying about this company on the internet? Do they have ratings on Google? Do they have a physical office? If you want to truly lose money first and very fast, do not ask this question. Just go ahead to pick any company you see out there and just buy land from them because you want to throw your money away. The third easiest way for you to lose money investing in real estate is by not checking documentation on any property. If you want to easily lose your money in Lagos, don't even ask for documentation on a property. Just see the land and buy it and put millions into that property. That is the easiest way for you to lose money. But if you don't want to lose money, make sure you are confirming this documentation. Ask your realtor to direct you on how to check for this documentation if they are really registered in the company's name that is selling to you. Ask them to direct you on how you could better understand documentation process, transfer of ownership to you, amongst other things. And always ask if there are extra fees associated for you buying that property. Fifth easiest way for you to lose money is by you not asking about their refund policy. There are a lot of times where sometimes where real estate purchase can become very cumbersome and the payment can be very tough. And if you do not ask for a payment plan or what their refund policy is, it is the easiest way for you to lose money. There are certain companies who will tell you that you need to have paid out at least 50% of your money 50% of the worth of the land for you to be um, open for refund. And if you have not made up to 50%, you would easily lose your money. There are certain companies who will tell you that if you ask for a refund, you'll be getting less 30%, some is 20%, and so on and so forth. So the easiest way for you to lose money is by never asking the company for their refund policy and what it takes for you to get your land. There are people who said if you don't meet this refund policy, you will not even get the land, you will not get your money. So make sure you are asking about this. Another easy way for you to lose money is by not asking for their payment plans. A lot of companies have what we call their payment structure. That is how many months you have to pay for a particular piece of real estate. Um, Outright payments most of the time is up to 3 months, 6 months, and some companies go as far as 12 months or even 2 years, depending on the price of that property. So the easiest way for you to lose money is by not asking for the payment plans on that property. There are clauses that can tell you that if you don't pay within this stipulated time, you are going to lose your money. You're not going to get any land. So if you don't ask for a payment plan, a payment structure, it is the easiest way to lose your money. So if you don't want to lose money investing in real estate, make sure you ask for a payment structure that suits your budget, that fits into your earning capacity, or how you'll be able to pay it without stress. The real estate market is very profitable in Nigeria. It is very important that you make your due diligence if you don't want to lose money investing in real estate. So if you'd like to know more about investing in real estate, do well to call me with the number or send me a text message or a WhatsApp message with the number showing on your screen, and I'll help you do that. I've been able to assist a lot of clients to get their property here in Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan, and in other places in Nigeria. So do also give me a call, send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'll help you start your investment process. I'm Rutamaya. See you on the next one.